If you're on the hunt for a budget-friendly smartphone under 10,000 pesos, two of the latest releases worth considering are the TECNO Spark 30 and the HONOR X7C. While both offer excellent value for their price, each device brings unique strengths and trade-offs. Hey guys, Sayer from Yugatech, and in today's video, we're comparing the TECNO Spark 30 and the HONOR X7C. We'll be breaking down their key features to help you decide which one fits your needs better. So, without further ado, let's dive in. And again, if you're wondering why I'm holding up these boxes instead of the phones, well, you can ask Earl, because I don't know where he put the phones. But hey, we do have the phones. Starting off with the design, both phones cater to a hip crowd who likes some clean aesthetics. Take a look at our TECNO Spark 30 review unit, and even the box looks cool, which is in the limited edition Transformers Bumblebee colorway. If you're not feeling it, if you're not want to be like Optimum Pride, there are other available color options available. It features a glossy back panel with bold circular camera rings, which seems to be the main trend nowadays. It's made out of plastic but feels sturdy in your hands. At 7.7mm thick and weighing around 180 grams, it's pretty comfortable despite being a little tall. On the other hand, the HONOR X7C sports a more understated design with a matte finish that resists fingerprints. It's a bit heftier at 8.2mm and 186 grams, but we doubt most people will be able to tell the difference. However, the overall build feels a bit less premium compared to the TECNO Spark 30s. With both devices getting an IP64 Ingress protection ratings, it's a little hard to choose a winner despite how tough HONOR likes to market their phones. So for this first round, it's a tie. For displays, the TECNO Spark 30 boasts a 6.78-inch Full HD Plus IPS LCD panel with a 90Hz refresh rate and up to 800 nits of peak brightness. The HONOR X7C, on the other hand, features a slightly smaller 6.77-inch HD Plus TFT LCD display with a higher 120Hz refresh rate and a high peak brightness of 850 nits. Unfortunately, the lower resolution and less impressive viewing angles are really a big crutch for the HONOR X7C despite the higher refresh rate. And to add to the X7C's weak point, the Spark 30 can't help but boast its better viewing angles. Both phones get dual stereo speakers, but without a doubt, in our opinion, the multimedia experience on the TECNO Spark 30 is a lot better, giving the TECNO Spark 30 the lead in its matchup so far. Under the hood, the TECNO Spark 30 is powered by a MediaTek Helio G91, an octa-core chipset that's reliable for light gaming and multitasking, paired with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage. The HONOR X7C, on the other hand, packs a Qualcomm Snapdragon 685 chipset. While less gaming focused, it's efficient for general use and also gets configured with the same 8GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage. Both devices supports expandable storage via their micro SD card slots. Based on our benchmark results, the HONOR X7C leads in both Antutu and PC Mark Work 3.0 tests, highlighting its superior multitasking and app handling capabilities. For storage, the HONOR X7C's faster read and write speeds make it significantly better for handling large files, app installations, and general system responsiveness compared to the TECNO Spark 30's slower speeds. As for gaming and graphic-intensive tasks, the TECNO Spark 30 takes the lead with better GPU scores. However, the HONOR X7C scores slightly higher in both single and multi-core tests, making it more reliable for CPU-intensive tasks like video streaming and productivity apps. Because of how tight the benchmark numbers are, this round closes with a tie once again. For software, both phones run on Android 14 out of the box, with each device's respective interface skinned on top. iOS 14 for the TECNO Spark 30 and Magic OS 8 for the HONOR X7C. In our opinion, Magic OS feels a lot less crowded out of the box, but we can make iOS look a lot cleaner with a bit more effort. Both devices do not really get any mention of their software support cycles, but at this budget, it's usually up to 2 major OS upgrades and 2 years of security patches. For casual users, the difference between interfaces may not be too much of an issue, and everyone has their own preference. So it's a tie here too. Cameras can be the determining factor in these close matchups, especially in the budget segment. So let's see how this goes. The TECNO Spark 30 features a 64-megapixel Sony IMX682 as its main camera, paired with an unspecified auxiliary sensor. In front, we get a 13-megapixel for selfies. Meanwhile, the HONOR X7C sports a 108-megapixel main shooter with a 2-megapixel depth sensor. In front, there's an 8-megapixel selfie camera. And checking out some of the sample shots, right off the bat, we can immediately notice how much punchier and vibrant the Spark 30's images come out compared to the X7C. Although looking through more of our sample photos taken in low light conditions, it's pretty interesting to see how similar both camera systems perform. With slight differences in how they compensate for low exposure, they do seem to perform very comparable to each other. As a result, it can be a bit preferential sometimes. Do you want the HONOR's better maintained highlights or TECNO's preserved shadow details? So again, the choice is yours. But with how similar the sample images are to each other, unfortunately, the HONOR X7C doesn't get to tie up the scores this round because it's another tie once more. Battery life is another strong deciding factor for potential buyers, so let's not keep you guys waiting. The TECNO Spark 30 comes with a 5000 mAh battery and gets support for 18-watt charging, and it takes an hour or some to go from 0 to 100%. The HONOR X7C gets a bigger 6000 mAh capacity with a faster 33-watt charging rate, which allows us to juice up from 0 to 100 in just an hour. In our PC Mark 3.0 battery test, the TECNO lasted a respectable 13 hours and 47 minutes, while the HONOR lasted an impressive 25 hours and 54 minutes. That's right, it lasted a day with some extra on top. Of course, we can always chalk that up to the lower resolution display, but either way, it's still an impressive feat nonetheless. On top of that, the HONOR X7C ties up the match by taking the win in the battery department. For connectivity, both phones only get up to 4G LTE bands with support for the standard Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and NFC. Technically, the TECNO gets the leg up here, featuring an IR blaster, allowing users to use it as a universal remote. But we'll let you guys be the judge for this one if it's actually an advantage. With the match ending in a tie, we now need to look at the price. The TECNO Spark 30 configured with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage is going for only 7,099 pesos, while the HONOR X7C in the same configuration retails for 8,999 pesos. With this tie, we can only recommend the HONOR for those who truly value battery life over anything else, since that is its strong suit. If you want the better all-around device, the TECNO Spark 30 is the better choice for under 9,000 pesos. Ultimately, the choice depends on your priorities, but this is our opinion. So, what do you guys think of this matchup? Have a better contender at under 9,000 pesos? Let us know in the comments down below. And of course, if you enjoyed this video, do drop a like and subscribe to watch more. Don't forget to follow us on our social media platforms. That's Facebook, X, Instagram, TikTok, and of course, visit yugatech.com to stay updated with the latest tech news and reviews, particularly the reviews of both of these phones. Once again, this has been Seth, and I'll see you guys in the next video. See ya!